First of all, good morning. I'm sorry. Hey.
All right, so we're gonna be talking about graphic rational numbers. All right, and our standard for today is 6 PAR 8 graph rational numbers as a point on the coordinate plane to represent and solve contextual mathematical problems. Draw polygons using the coordinates for their vertices and find the length of the side of the polygon. Okay, I know that's like a lot of stuff going on right there, but you know we're gonna simplify this today. All right. Everybody got their composition notebooks up?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So yesterday we talked about what? Okay, coordinate plane. So let's do a quick review real quick. Which coordinate is this right here? One. What about this one? 2, 3, 4. All right. And this line is going from left to right is what?
Vertical.
Horizontal, but which axis is it? X.
Oh, I got it right.
X. It's the X axis. And the vertical is the Y axis. Okay, cool. All right. So the first one, we're gonna move in numbers into each blank to represent the order from point C. Y'all can see point C. This is big enough for you all?
Yes.
All right. So point C. Can somebody tell me what coordinates point C has? Okay. -4 is the first one? Okay.
I can't see.
Yeah. 4. All right, and what's the next one? 2. Wait,
-2.
did you say -2 or?
Negative
2, okay. -2, okay. So that's correct. All right, so yeah, so it's -4 and -2. All right. All right. So we got that one. Yeah. All right, cool. So that's number 1. All right, somebody tell me what the coordinate for A is. For A. No, for A. No, somebody, can somebody help him out? Brianna. So we're looking at this point right here. So you remember, you gotta go on your X axis first, then your Y axis.
Oh.
Alright, so it's gonna look like this. X, Y. Alright, so remember our X axis go from left to right, and our Y axis are vertical, right? Up and down, north, south. Alright, Jordan. Alright, -2. And what's on the Y axis?
4.
4.
Positive 4.
Positive 4, good. Alright. So we know what a polygon should look like, right? For the most part, you know what a polygon looks like?
What?
A polygon, the shape?
Yeah.
Okay, some of you do, some of you don't. It's okay, we'll see what it looks like in a second. Alright. Can somebody tell me what the coordinate for B is?
Oh, me.
Somebody I had the curve from. Let's go with Alex. What's the coordinate for B? Remember we got, what'd you say?
2.
No, remember we got X. X first, then Y.
4.
Okay, 4, 2, good. I don't like that. All right, cool. All right, somebody tell me what D is? The coordinate for D. Jada.
Jada, he called you. but-
Jada.
Alright, she hear me, she hear me. Remember, we got X and Y. It's our X axis. So we can go how many times? Hey, to what's talking? From 0, how many times do we go over to get to this point? 2. Okay. Alright, and then is it 4 or is it
-4.
-4? Good job. Okay.
No.
Yeah, just calm down. Wait.
You don't gotta clap.
Alright, good job.
Easy.
Alright. So we just drew something that looks similar to what this is, right? This is polygraph. Alright?
Oh.
Alright, so for our second question on our warm-up, can somebody read this for me?
I can.
Go ahead, Shannon.
It says Laura is a part. Laura is a part designer. She created a diagram of a part on the coordinate plane shown.
Rick, Rick.
Which group of ordered pairs describes the location of the four corners of the part?
Okay. So what are we looking for here? Somebody tell me what some of my action words are so we can figure out how to break this down. Jordan, what's one of our action words? Which group of ordered pairs? Okay. So we got which group of ordered pairs? What else are we looking for? What's something else is important?
No.
Not quite.
Coordinate.
Coordinate? No, we're looking at this one right here. Brianna. Okay, yeah, so we're looking at the four corners, because those are our what? What would our four corners be on this coordinate plane?
1, 2, 3, 4.
The coordinate plane.
What's the term for it? We'll be plotting that stuff, right?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so. Hey, it's a lot of sidebar conversation that needs to stop. Okay, so what are we trying to find in this on this problem? What are we trying to find? Somebody didn't hear from Aiden. What are we looking for? We're looking for answers. Yes, answers. But what exactly? Hold on, just Aiden. Just Aiden. You said the location. How we gonna find the location though? Remember our action words. Okay, we're looking for the four corners. All right. So, can somebody tell me what plot this is right here? What's this graphic right here? Let's go with this one first.
I got it.
Oh no, let's break it down. So, what's the coordinate of this plot right here? Get somebody. Hey, Sean. What's the coordinate of this plot?
Coordinate?
Yes. Hold on. Can you see? Is that two line up right here? Let's count it. We got to start from 0 and going to the left. So this will be what? No, this is 0. 1, 2, 3, 3. So what is it? What should be our x? -3. Somebody tell me why y. What's on the y-axis? Somebody haven't heard from Thomas. What's up? Huh? What's gonna be our y-axis for this plot right here? Can you see? Remember our y-axis right here, we already got to -3. So what's on our y-axis? Yeah, if you can't see, come up son. You need a little help? Or you got it?
I know.
Y'all know? You need help?
I know.
Somebody help him out. Let's do it. All right, Jordan, you look so eager. Let's do it. +2, good job. All right, so we have 1 plotted. All right, let's go with this plot right here. Somebody help me out. Where are we plotting? What is our x-axis? Kaden, what's on my x-axis? For this one right here. Whoa. X. Remember, use this up here for reference. You said what now? I'm sorry. So what's on my x-axis for let's get to this point right here? Hey, it's a lot of side talking. I gotta stop talking here. 2. Okay. Go ahead. Give me the y too. That's x. You just said it. We said the y earlier.
+4.
+4. Okay. You know, y'all don't have to say +4. 4 is positive. So you just say -2. If that helps you remember it, then keep saying it, okay? All right, somebody tell me this plot right here. Shannon. What is it? What come up? What plot is this right here?
+4.
Okay, so we got 4
-2.
and -2. Good job. Can somebody help me out with this? Mr. Robinson, I don't know what this one is. Wait. I got a question for you.
Oh my God.
Got a question. What quadrant is this in?
4.
4. Why is it in 4?
Like there's 4 squares.
Okay, Mrs. Obvious. Why else is it 4? Good job. It's negative and positive. Good job. All right. What's this? What plot would this be? I hear y'all. Shh. I hear you. Go ahead.
That's -2 and -4.
No, not
No,
quite.
-2.
What's between 2 and 4? -2 and -4.
3.
Is it 3 or is it?
1. No, I'm at
No.
2.
3 is up here. What's down here?
2.
No.
2.5.
She said, listen, she said -2 and 3. -3. Remember, you gotta put -3. Okay?
That's what I was saying.
What you did? You didn't say that.
I was saying this.
Well, you said 3. All right, so since we have all our coordinates and we know which one of these answers will be correct. So let's cross it out.
Can I?
Let's cross it out. So we got 2 and 4, right? Hello?
Yeah.
Yes, 2 and 4. We can cross that out. We got 4 and -2. We can cross that out. We got -2 and -3. We can cross that out. We got -3 and 2. Cross that out. So our answer will be what? All right, good job. Okay. Everybody have their warm up. All right, so we're gonna be in, what's the name of the book, Coach book? All right, so we're gonna be in our Coach book, and we're gonna be doing some more practice on this. It's gonna be pages 88, and we're gonna do number 1 through 8. All right, what the book said, Edward?
This is gonna have,
All right.
this side, y'all get y'all. This side, have